Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Deborah and I'm just showing you the front of my house today. I don't know why, I just thought that you might like to have a look at it. That's my craft room window right there. And then if I pan around, you can see this is my garden or lawn, a bit of garden, a few trees, my balcony. And also I wanted to show you the typical Australian street for those of you that haven't seen one. So we're just going to pan around. The neighbours are moving. So I've got a moving truck out at the moment. This is my gate. We have an electric gate, so I just have to go through the little gate in the middle of it. And this is a typical Australian suburban street. It's quite a busy little street that I live in because there's a bit of a throughway. It goes around to the right down there that you can see at the corner, and goes all the way up the other end, so quite long. And then this one up here, if I just walk out into the street without getting run over, there's a car coming, so I'll just wait for that to go past. Show you my lovely foxtails while I'm at it. These are my foxies, they're just lovely. This is to the right is the street out into the main road, and then straight ahead is a cul-de-sac, so basically a dead end. And just walking up the back, that's my shed where I house my precious bike and my red car you can see to the left. We also have an older car, which is the white car, which my husband drives to work, and this is my pool. So it's a very big pool, takes up the whole backyard. You would have possibly seen a bit if you watched the video where I showed you the possum. There was probably a bit of the pool in that as well. And then just an outdoor area, barbecue. We haven't got a seat at the moment, we just got rid of the seat, and you can see all the white stuff on the ground because we just had the house termite treatment done all the way around, so now we've got these white holes all the way around the house. Now I'm back in my craft room. This is where I do all my creating. It's quite large, and there's a couple of things. First of all, today's video, it was a bit of a disaster. I filmed it yesterday, and when I went to edit it, I realised that I'd recorded the whole thing on slow-mo, and hence it is a little bit blurry. The first 3 minutes I cut down like an hour and 10 minutes to 3 minutes because it was a bit difficult to see. Hence the video is fairly short, and then I recorded a little bit more because I hadn't quite finished my project, so I recorded a little bit more this morning. So it's only a very short video today. I apologise for that. And what I'm showing you with my craft room is a bit of a precursor for tomorrow. And tomorrow is very exciting for me. Tomorrow I will be putting up or recording today, and then tomorrow I will be putting it up, my 500th video on YouTube, which is, I think, is a bit of a milestone. I'm really super pleased actually. And as part of that, my 500th video will be a tour of my craft room. So this is just a little taster today, and watch tomorrow and you will see a full tour. For now, I'm going to go on and show you the finishing of the accordion journaling spot that I was doing, and I will see you tomorrow. Cheers. I've got this page and I've got this leaf, and I'm thinking I'm going to do the same as I did last time, which is to cut the bottom part off. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that. I'm going to put this little dude here, and I think I might cut that leaf off. Just seeing how that goes and if I like that or not. So I got those 3 leaves on it, and I didn't have these 2 pieces down here. I think that would look okay. So let's start by chopping the leaf off. I'm just going to carefully do it around there so I can use that piece again, or in another project I should say. And then this one is going to go here, and I've kind of twisted it a little bit. I think I want it underneath him, so you can't see it's been chopped off. And the little thing, observe and enjoy. I think that's going to be good. And then perhaps something under here as well. So this has got to go underneath him, and then the ticket here. Now on the back here, I'm going to put this one because this one is the same size in length as the one I put on the front. So I thought if I put it on the back, it'll hide that white part of the tab there. So I'm getting this page together now. I have used one of these ones that had the pointer on it, and I've turned it upside down, and I really wanted to use this one and these children. So behind the children I am going to put one of these circles that came out of one of the pointers, the map pointers, because that is going to hide the words that are on here. And it looks quite good if I put it behind that little boy's head. So that'll stick down there. And then next I'm going to put down a couple of frames and a ticket, just to bring it all together. And this is one of the frames that I'm putting in. And this one is going to go here like this, so you can still see that says do not enter, but you can't see all of the words, and you can still see the frame as well. So I might just stick this one down, and then this little baby frame, I'm hoping I can get that maybe in there as well, on top of that ticket. See if it'll go in before I stick it. Maybe if I put it under this way. So I've got this dude, and then I really want to use these. I've tried a couple of times to use these in this book. Hasn't quite worked out for me, but I really like them. Got this one, it says get up and go. So I could use that, but then it looks a bit weird with this piece. I may have to replace this piece, unfortunately. So I finally decided that this is the composition that I want. The only thing I'm tossing up with, do I want the green ticket or the brown ticket? Green or brown? Maybe the green. Let's try it. No, I think the brown would be better. The other option, changing my mind again, is to go with the long ticket. No, I think I'll go back with the brown ticket that I had before. Yep, okay, I think that's it finally. I've put some words on there from my clipping stickers book, and now I'm going to put my washi tape on. So I've just chosen this, which is black and white. I know that's a weird choice possibly for the craft paper, but actually when it goes on, yeah, as I suspected, you can see the craft under it a little bit, and it actually looks quite good. Let's just have a little look, and then I think I'm ready to go. Lots of journaling space in this one. If you didn't want that, you could just cover this up and decorate it with other things. You don't have to have the journaling space. I've chosen to have the journaling space because I like the idea of journaling, and I do a fair bit of writing in my journals anyway, so that's, you know, for me that's quite good. I also like that I can lie this one flat, and you've got a good surface then to journal on as you're going through, so you haven't got a struggle with trying to work out how you're actually going to write on some of the pages. I do look at that when I'm doing my journals. I have put a frame around that, so I could possibly, with the tab, I could possibly put another decorative thing in there, but I haven't at this point. And I like this one. In fact, I think it's all quite very cute, isn't it? That is super thick, that. I don't know why, it just feels thicker than some of the others. And then that's the one I just did. And then I haven't done, as I said, the back. That will all flip back, and then this one comes around here and then goes under here. Just have to get that going so that I can tie it up. Now it's all ready to go into one of my journals. This is a keeper for me. I do give or sell things and gift things to people, but this one I really like, so it's going into one of my personal journals. And if you want to make one yourself, then you've got 2 videos you can watch to do that. So that's great. This is Deborah. Thanks for watching. Cheers.